Hey Royal Family, welcome to the front row. My name is Roanna Moodley and today we're doing a very special video. I'm going to go through some different hairstyles that you can use. It's very simple to put together, it's very simple to do, and it's lots and lots of fun. And you know, your hair can really be the window to fashion. Your hair can really make a difference. The way you style your hair can really make a difference in terms of whether it is going to be glamorous, if it's not going to be glamorous, if you are going for an evening out. Whatever the situation is, your hair goals needs to be on point, but also you can zhuzh it up a bit to make your outfit look a little bit different as well. So if you want to know what hairstyles I can do with the same outfit, then do keep on watching. This is my hair in its natural form. When I wash it and I let it dry like this, it is wavy, but I really sometimes, most of the time, I get used to just leaving it like this. So what I love to do is when I wash my hair, I blow dry it and then I just put it in like a low bun, and then I get the soft curls at the bottom, and so I don't need to worry too much. So I let it down like this, and then I try, and what I like to do is if my sari is going this way, then I like to make my hair go the other way. So I'll just make like a side with my finger here. There we go. And I always like to pick this part up and then bring that down like that to give it some like an old school type of look, you know. And this you could just wear if you're going to like a satsang or if you're going to like a function or whatever. Let's put some earrings on. So I thought we'll just put simple drops on like this. Ow, that hurt. Ow, okay. And this is look 1. You like it? This is my go-to look. I do this look pretty much every day. This is what I do. Even when I go to work, I wear my hair like this. So this is like very simple to do. I don't need to worry too much about like setting my hair. This is just it in its natural form and it's ready to go, and we are in the game. Okay, next look. I'm just gonna take my hair to the side, and then see, I've got the curls here already. So this is the second look, and what I did was I took my hair to the side in a little bun, and you can see my hairband is popping here. So I'm going to just open up the bun a little bit more so no one can see my hairband, and then I just pull some strands out and I change my earrings. See? Namaste, Kemcho, Majamacho, Nandri. Okay, so let's go for look 3. And this is the second look. You can never go wrong with a simple low bun, everything back, some really nice gorgeous earrings. I got this from the Raj collection for my wedding, and I've been wearing it ever since. I even wear it sometimes with my corporate wear. It goes so well. And this is also something you can use to even a wedding, because there's always beauty in simplicity. I really like it. This is my next look. I think this just is such a favorite of mine because of the earrings itself. If you look, they're Lakshmi earrings, and I got them from Sri Lanka. It was a gift from my mom-in-law, and I just paired it with a beautiful simple middle path hairstyle, plaited at the back, and you are ready to go with this look. It's so beautiful. You have simplicity in this look. I guess most of my looks are very simple and easy to do. It's so wonderful to know that just a simple change up in your hairstyle, a simple earring change can really make the look so different, and this really brings out the South Indian vibe in this whole style, so I'm quite enjoying it. And this is my final look. I paired my earrings to go with this look. This is actually earrings that I got from Mr. Price, I think. And I put a high bun because it would just modernize the look, and it looks like you're going for an evening party, and it just makes the look so much more zhuzhed up and modern with a traditional twist, which is what I love a lot. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. This is a great look. If you liked any one of the looks, comment below and let me know which look you loved the most. And I particularly like the South Indian look, and I liked this. These are my two favorites, and I would love to hear what your thoughts are. If you want me to do more videos like this, then let me know. I post videos every Monday and every Thursday. On Mondays are wisdom related videos, which is like lifestyle hacks, some of my learnings from life, and whatever wise stuff I come up with, I like to share with you. And on Thursdays, I post everything related to beauty. So if you resonate with me, if you like what I do, then do click that subscribe button, because you know what, it helps me so much more. And you can be a part of this royal family, because we are royal, and it doesn't matter what your circumstances are, you can make your life rocking. So I guess I'll catch you on the next video. Till then, keep it royal.